Here's how to check if your TV is outputting 4K or 1080p. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the main settings of your television. Once you're already on the settings, go ahead and scroll down and go to the general settings. Under the general settings, go ahead and navigate or relocate yourself to the display and sound options. After going to the display and sounds options, you will be see there the resolution options. Now, once you see the resolutions option, go ahead and click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see that it's under 1080pz. Or at the first option, you will see there that it is under the 4K, which is 60Hz. And as you scroll down, you will be able to find out that there is 1080p. That means that your television is outputting both 4K and 1080p. And that is how you check it to the resolution under the general display and sound settings.